The beach and all the touristic stuff is that way. And then right over here, we have one of the local spots here where all the locals that live here in Mazatlan, Sinaloa come to eat. Since 1965, they've been serving food over here, authentic Mexican food. We're gonna go ahead inside there and try some stuff out. Join me. Buenas tardes, caballero. This is the spot. Okay, so you walk in and it has a museum kind of vibe. Pictures and pictures of stuff. We have a Sophie.
The sisters of the YouTubers.
Oh my. Check out this cat. Alright, so this is worth a visit just for the camera collection alone.
It's like a museum.
Look, once upon a time, that's what people used to call each other before the cell phone. Buenas amigos, una pregunta, esta colección de teléfonos y cámaras, ¿de quién fue la idea? ¿Porque tiene un significado?
No, poco a poco fueron coleccionándolas. Los abuelos, hijos,
Solo van coleccionando cosas ahí y las ponen como decoración.
Sí.
¿Las armas son de verdad?
La de arriba creo que sí.
¿Una escopeta? Un rifle, a rifle, they have a rifle up there.
Y poco a poco fueron...
¿Y este es de verdad? ¿Este es un armadillo?
Sí, está disecado.
Wow. Old Mexican pesos. Aquí, y me dicen que la comida aquí es muy buena, que aquí viene a comer la gente local. ¿Por qué es?
Es lo más típico de aquí en Mazatlán, amigo. El pozolito, el asado, todo. Es muy típico, la verdad.
¿Oh, sí?
Recomendadísimo.
Se come bueno. Aquí estoy, vamos a probarlo. For your convenience, the menu is right there on the walls. You got one there, you got one over there. Ok, hermano, ¿qué es lo que más pide la gente cuando viene acá? ¿Qué es lo que ustedes se especializan?
El pozole. El pozole es lo que vienen a buscar por acá. El pozole es rojo de puerco, de la cabeza de puerco.
Okay.
Es lo que se vende. La
Ok,
gente
a mí
viene
me das uno de esos, por favor.
Perfecto. Y lo voy a poner como lo pide más la gente. Con
Sí,
todo
como para un
curtido.
mexicano, yo me lo como picoso, lo que sea, sin miedo.
Perfecto. Entonces te voy a poner uno grande, surtidito.
¿Y algo más que es súper popular acá?
El asado lo tenemos también, que está muy rico. Y lo más pedido es el asado y los taquitos doraditos. Pueden ser de res con papa,
Ok, bueno,
puede ser de
dame
pollo.
un asado chico, por favor.
Mira, este es lo más pedido, está muy rico, aquí le va a gustar a tu esposa.
Ok, para mí
Y
está bien.
luego el asado lo voy a servir con toda la verdurita, lechuga, repollo, cebolla.
Sí, para mí yo me lo como con todo.
¿Con todo?
Sí.
Perfecto.
One Jamaican water for sulfonator.
It's not Jamaican water, it's wine. You know, in French I have to drink wine. No, it's Jamaican water. Let's see if I'm strong enough to... Yeah, I can open it. Oh look, there's already food coming.
¿Eso qué es acá?
Son las verduras para el pozole.
Ah, ok.
At the meantime, I was able to open almost. Oh, got it. I don't know why. It doesn't. Okay, got it. Cheers to the wine or Jamaican water. What do you think it is? Really flourful, if I can say.
Oh, it comes from hibiscus. So.
Yeah, that's why I said flourful, not flavorful.
French humor.
Yeah, it was a French joke.
This is the pozole, guys. Basically, it looks like a Mexican soup. I ordered the small one, and good thing I did because look at that, you get a lot right here. Let's go ahead and try the pozole, guys. Looks like we have some corn there, as well as a lot of pork meat. That's tasty. I like it. Let's try the broth alone. Nice, a very strong corn taste. I mean, you can see right here. You see all the little pieces of corn there. You have all different parts of the pig as well. And you have all this meat here. The pozole is really good. I think it can be better. And that's the great thing about Mexican food is that you get this, and if you want to spice it up, you want to get some more taste out of your food, the table comes loaded with stuff. So we're gonna go to my favorite here. We're gonna go for this one. I want some hot sauce, some picante. I'm gonna get a little bit of that. Put a little bit there to start. Let's grab a little more for good measure. Make sure we taste that. Give it a nice swirl. Have a look at this, guys. This right here is basically 70 pesos. So we're talking about $3.50 for this mammoth bowl of goodness. Look at all of that. All the meat, all the corn. Let's give it a go now with my hot sauce, my calienteness, my spiciness. Woo. Now we're talking. But I want more. What can I say? I don't know if my mouth is getting immune to the chilies or what, but I'm craving more and more. I added the green sauce right here, and I don't know what happened, but I went in for a bite and I kind of breathed in all the spiced chili there, and it just had me choking a bit. We're gonna see how that is. Maybe my food is finally hot. It's a nice medium hot.
This is only hot.
You gotta be careful and not, because then it just goes to the throat. That's why I was like just choking out there. I must say, all the spice that I put in the pozole has snuck up on me, and my lips they're pretty on fire. My nose is running, all that stuff. But we're men and we just go through it. Next up, the asado. We're gonna stay over there. Stay over there. We're gonna try the famous asado here, guys. It's with meat. Check it out. We have a lot of things going on here. We have some onions, we have cheese, we have radishes, we have the meat here with the potatoes. And then over here, I have some, pretty much was left over when they cooked the meat. All the fat and oil is all in here to pour a little bit on there. We're gonna make that. We're gonna grab my tostada and just put a little bit of all this stuff on there. It's basically like create your own little tostada, what they call an asado here. I like it. We're gonna let's add some more onions. Let's add some onions. We already have lettuce there. Yeah, let's just add more onions. We're gonna add some of the hot sauce on this. A little more of that. Bam. A little bit of lime juice there. Get this little seed out of the way. I'm tempted by the potato alone. Fried potatoes. Oh, that is good. That is phenomenal. Oh man. I want to try this mix on its own right now. That's how good it was. Just a bite of that. Major thumbs up for the asado. Look what's on the table, guys. Never missing in a Mexican kitchen. We have some little chilies here. Gonna have a bite of this with my asado here. There's a lot of taste in that. Oh man. So good, guys. And very picante. That thing is that little chili I just bit. That's a hot one. I must say, things are getting very, very hot right now. On level 1 through 10, the hotness is at a 7 right now. It's building up and up and up. Whew. Yep. Finally, it's been a while, you know, I keep trying the hot sauce all over Mexico. They're like, oh, it's very picoso, picoso. I'm gonna say 7 or 8 times out of 10 is not, but this one, be careful. Or maybe it's that chili that I bit.
You look like you're sweating bullets.
This is hot right now, guys. They're not playing around here at this restaurant in Mazatlan. They are, my lips, they're just very numb right now. Let's just put it like that. And then I'm just gonna keep eating to think about other stuff.
At the meantime, I'm still waiting for my food because I ordered tostadas with cheese. Because I don't have cheese right now, so they had to go get cheese at the supermarket or I don't know where. Oh, at the meantime, it just arrived. Here is my food. Gracias. So here's my tostadas with cheese, and it's not melted. I'm really disappointed.
Oh man, I'm getting my butt kicked here, guys. Oh, I'm still not sure. I don't think it was the hot sauce. I think it was that chili that I bit into.
Look at what I got. It looks like just lettuce on the top. I have lettuce, onions, carrots, and under I have the cheese, but I'm surprised it's not melted cheese like I always love. But this time it's fresh cheese, and it tastes basically like mozzarella. I don't know if it's the cheese from here, like Chihuahua, like we see everywhere. It just tastes like having a mozzarella salad on a tacos or tostadas. Nothing crazy, but just fresh and good.
We're gonna take this meal to the next level, guys. Here's the juice. You're gonna put some all over it, just to give it all those meaty flavors. I'm gonna try our tostada, friend, like that. All my veggies here, the cheese, the meat, the potato, are all soaking into this meat juice, we can say. And we're gonna give that a go ourselves. Ooh. Oh yeah, things are more saucy now. And I'm not gonna be defeated. I'm going for more spice here, guys. Right there. You get out. Really good, but I want to get more flavor with this, so I'll just go ahead and pour that right on here. I'm gonna try something here, guys. I'm gonna crush up my tostada. I'm gonna add the meat over here. Not the meat juice, sorry about that. A nice dosage of picante there. I'm gonna grab some onions. Some more onions for good measure. I'm gonna grab some of this little salad right here. Some more of this lime juice all over the place. Swirl it around a bit. Woo. We're gonna have a bite of that and see how that is. This is my favorite way. You get to really kind of taste everything blended in there. I love it. So I figured it out now. We're sliding down. I figured it out now, guys. Basically, this hot sauce is not really hot, so this was the culprit here, and I really like that feeling. So we're gonna go for some more, but I'm not gonna bite this whole piece. It's gonna have like half. That's what makes all the hotness. Whoa. I love the juices that this hot chili is giving my food. Have a look, guys, all the people in the restaurant now. When we came in, the place pretty much just opened, but now, it's Stacy, good food. Yeah, this is the typical spot here, right? Good food, delicious. Yeah. All the locals come here to eat the typical food here, authentic, at la copita. That means the little cup, basically. And we're gonna finish off here with dessert. Now I wanted to show you guys the kitchen, but the ladies that cook are tired of being filmed. Oh, but here we get a view of it. They're the ones that are doing all the magic there. And then here you come and have a raspado. You can have it inside or outside. Buenas noches, caballero. Oh, wow. ¿Con este ya lo hacen el raspado?
Sí.
You want one?
No, to share.
Ok. Un raspado, ¿qué sabores tiene?
Ciruela, tamarindo, leche y guayaba.
Guayaba, por favor. Y ya son las de las manos mágicas que preparan toda la comida. Yep, they're really tired of being filmed. I won't push. Okay, so he has all the flavors inside these buckets.
¿Le pongo lechera?
Sí, por favor. I'm eager to know what this is gonna look like. Oh wow! Le dieron steroids. This is huge, guys. It's been Mexican out. ¿Y esto qué es lo que le ponen aquí, amigo?
¿Es la guayaba?
Guayaba. Oh, la guayaba pura se la ponen.
Sí.
Ok, muchas gracias. So here we go. We have the raspado of guava, basically. You get a spoon, you get a straw. Let's go with the straw first. Oh no. It's real guava in there. You taste it, so good and refreshing. Oh man, that is delicious. And he's put condensed milk on the top of it. Oh man, real guava pieces. And then you get the little spoon here. You can see the condensed milk just falling down. Let's go for a little bite of this shaved ice. Oh man, that's freaking amazing. ¿Cuánto es?
30 pesos.
30 pesos. So 30 pesos, that's $1.50 for this giant raspado. That's gonna wrap things up from one of the most popular restaurants here in Mazatlan, Sinaloa. Hope you like this video. Catch you on the next one. Hasta la vista, baby.